Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will be continuing with the second part. So on my last video, I showed you Kali Linux comments for hackers part 1. So in this video, I will be showing you how to make a file, how to move file, and how to list hidden directories and all those. So let's not delay. So let me first open the terminal. So now you can see that I am on Kali directory. So I will be changing the directory to desktop directory. So I will type cd desktop. You can see that the desktop directory, I have shifted to desktop directory. So if I type pwd, this will print the working directory or the current directory where am I in. So now I will be listing what are the files or folders available. For that, I will type only ls. So this is going to uh, show me the files or directories which is available. So by default, I don't think that you will be having any file or directories since you haven't created anything. That's why I have created a file and a directory. That's why you can see a directory and a file. So this one I will be showing you today. So if you want to list hidden directories or hidden files, for that you can type -a. So this -a is going to list all the hidden directories or files. So dot are the hidden directories that are available under the desktop directory. So if I want to long list these hidden directories, for that I have to type -a -l -al. So this command can be given in two ways. I will be showing you both the ways. So if I give enter, you can see that this has done the long listing for me. So this is the long listing format for the hidden directories and the directories which are available under the desktop directories. So if I want this file in human readable file, then this will give, I have to press -lh. So this is going to, this h is representing basically human readable files. So now you can see the difference. This was only in numbers. Now this has given me in human readable format, like 4.0k. This is showing like this. So this is like a minimal difference. So I can give this comment in two ways. Like you can give like this at like ls-alh, or you can type the -l separately and -h separately to do the long listing human readable file and the hidden files. So this is going to do everything. So what this is basically showing, this one I will be showing you later. This D is basically standing for directory, and this hyphen is standing for the file. So every file in Linux system will be represented by a hyphen, and every directories in the Linux system will be represented by a D at the front of everything. And these are all permissions which is being executed by this directory. So this one I will be teaching you in my next video. But let's see today how to create a file in desktop. So if I just want to create a file in desktop, for that I have to type touch and then give anything like as for example cyber security to create a file, and then press enter. So as you can see, this has created a cyber security file, so which is an empty file. So now if I want to add something inside this file, for that I have to type echo. You can either give a single inverted comma or a double inverted comma. That does not really matter at this stage. So I can type a sentence that I am learning ethical hacking, and then inverted comma close, and then give a greater than sign and the name of the file where you want this line to go. I want this line to go in the cybersecurity file. That's why I am typing cybersecurity. So now if you just want to view from the terminal, so check whether this file has already went into the cybersecurity file or not. So for that I have to type cat cybersecurity. So as you can see, this is showing that I am learning ethical hacking, this line. So if I physically open this from the by clicking on the directory or the file, this will show me the same result. As you can see, I am learning ethical hacking. So this one basically I showed you how to navigate through the terminal, since terminal is a very powerful command line interface. So now if I just want to move this file to anywhere, or any directory. For that I have to type mv and then cyber security, and then you have to give the desktop, and like you have to give the path. So I just want this to go into the Kali directory. For that I have to give the path for Kali directory, like /home/Kali. So as you can see, this has moved to the Kali directory. So for that I have to go to the Kali directory. So I came into the Kali directory by pressing CD only. Now I can list the file or folders. Now you can see this cybersecurity file has already moved in the Kali directory. Now if I just want to copy this cybersecurity file, for that I have to type cp cybersecurity. So this will copy the file for me and then give the path /home/Kali/ for example desktop. So you can see that so if I go to the desktop, you can see that the cybersecurity file is already copied into the desktop directory as well. So now if I just want to remove this file or directory, if you want to remove a file or directory, for that you can type rm-r. So rm stands for remove and -r stands for recursive, meaning that whatever inside that file or directory will also be removed. So I will be removing for example, the cybersecurity file which I created. So as you can see, this has removed the file from the desktop directory. So the same way, if I just want to remove any file or directory, as for example, I will be creating a directory like mkdir and then giving this as a name called pen tester, mkdir pen tester. So if you list it, you will see that pen tester directory has been created. So mkdir stands for make directory, and I just gave the name of the directory, which is pen tester. So a directory has been created. Now if I just want to move anything inside the directory or anything, I can type mv and then give the name of the file or folder, whichever directories I want to move. So I will be moving the cybersecurity file from Kali. So I will move this one like mv cybersecurity to home/Kali/desktop/pen tester. So this one I have typed already the path. So this is the path where this cybersecurity file will be moved. So if I list it, you can see that the cybersecurity file is no more over here. So if I go to the desktop and then to the pen tester directory, I can see if I list it, I can see the cybersecurity file has been moved over here. So this is how you can move. So if I just want to now remove the like the pen tester directory, for that I can move using the same command I showed you like rm-r. This rm stands for remove and -r stands for recursive, meaning that whatever inside the file or that folder will be removed. So if I give pen tester like this, so this will ultimately, you can see from here that this has removed the directory from here. So now if I list it, that pen tester directory is no more over here. So in Linux system, if one of the file or folders is deleted, so you cannot reverse the process, but this should stay into the trash. So you can see that this has also not been stored in the trash as well. So since the Linux system does not allow you to reverse whatever you have done, so you can see that there is nothing. So that's why you should be careful whenever you are moving a directory or file, anything in the Linux system. So that's it for the video. So in my next video, I will be showing you some of the more comments, how to take root privilege. So till then, stay safe. Bye bye.